Love pasta but don't want to order it every time? Today we're sharing 3 super delicious, easy to make pasta recipes that you can recreate at home with simple ingredients. So let's get cooking. We're gonna first start with a Veg Marinara Pasta. For this, start by heating 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped garlic. Let it brown slightly, not burn, just until fragrant. Now add chili flakes and toast it gently. Pour in the tomato puree and let this sauce slowly simmer for about 40 minutes. This slow cooking brings out deep, rich flavors. Now sprinkle in 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, fresh basil leaves, salt to taste and mix everything well. Once thick and aromatic, switch off the flame and keep the sauce aside. Now in a large pot, boil 1 liter of water, add salt and a little oil. Now add your pasta and cook it till al dente. Now drain the water and keep the pasta aside. In a pan, heat some oil and add diced mushrooms, chopped baby corn and diced onions. Toast everything well and cook until slightly soft but still crunchy. Now pour in the prepared marinara sauce and mix. Add the boiled pasta and toast everything together. Finish by grating fresh parmesan cheese on top. Now let's prepare pesto pasta. For this, boil pasta in salted water till al dente. Drain and keep aside. Now make the pesto sauce. For this, in a blender, add garlic cloves, fresh coriander leaves, sesame seeds, extra virgin olive oil, almonds, green chilies, salt, parmesan cheese. Blend this into a smooth, vibrant green paste. Now heat a pan over medium flame, add the boiled pasta and the prepared pesto paste. Now toast well so every strand is coated beautifully. Top it with more parmesan cheese and served immediately. Now let's prepare a classic spaghetti Alio E Olio. For this, in a vessel, take enough water and add salt. Let the spaghetti sit in boiling water. Now cook till al dente. Do not overcook. Drain in a strainer and pour cold water over it to stop further cooking and prevent sticking. Now in a heavy bottom pan, heat olive oil, add chopped garlic and let it simmer on low flame. Add chili flakes. Let the oil absorb all that garlicky goodness. Now add the cooked spaghetti into the garlic oil. Fold it gently and carefully. Now add Italian seasoning. Cover and cook for just 2 minutes. Now before serving, sprinkle black pepper. Top generously with grated parmesan cheese. And your classic spaghetti Alio E Olio is ready. So there you have it. 3 easy, delicious pasta recipes you can make anytime at home. So tell us in the comments, which one are you making first? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more such easy and comforting recipes.